Christmas is all about.
Hey, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Sorry. Oh my god. Look, why do I always look crazy when I come on here? I don't know. I don't know. I'm sorry, I apologize. Oh, don't come for me. Don't come for me. Hold up. Okay, so we're back with Vlogmas. My name's Danique. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. You're gonna be seeing me every day for, honestly, I don't know if Vlogmas is like stops Christmas Eve or if it's like all of December, but I don't know. Anyways, y'all gonna be seeing me a lot this month. So yesterday, if you watched my other vlog, which you should have, I told y'all I'm gonna be doing more packing videos because I'm about to move. Which there's a lot going on with that, but I'm gonna get into it while I'm packing. I'll talk to y'all about it. But anyways, y'all, I was gonna pack my like my bar up. I barely got alcohol. Cause I'm like probably gonna throw all that alcohol away because it's like not even shit I drink anyways. And then, but I have like a bunch of like glasses and stuff, like even on my wine rack. So I'm gonna pack that, but I'm gonna wait to pack that stuff. Cause I even have more glass in my cupboards in my kitchen. I have so much glass. Yeah, but I told you I'm gonna be packing my vanity anyway. So we're gonna pack that today. Just to get that out the way. And then I don't know what else. I'll just say that for another day because I don't feel like doing both of them, honestly. It's late. Well, it's not late. It's like 7 o'clock, but that's late. I don't feel like doing anything. Like after this, I'm probably gonna go to sleep. Okay, so yeah, I'm about to start. I found a box for that will fit all my stuff in my vanity, and so I'm about to do that, and then I'll see y'all. And like a side note for anyone who's like moving or planning on moving or just need boxes like the store shit, I got these boxes from Walmart, and they have like these little, you know, like you can hold them. I don't know, I can't explain it, but you know, if you get like boxes from like regular stores, like you can always get like free boxes from like the liquor stores or like Sam's Club, places like that. But like these are the best boxes because they're easy like to move with, I feel like. And yeah, they're from Walmart. I even got like a bigger ones over there. This is the medium one, and like the blue one is the large. I think they have extra large too, but damn, I only see these two in the store. They're small too, but dang. But yeah, that's just a little side note because I thought that was so cool. It's so much easier than trying to pick up a whole damn box. You could just hold it from the sides. But okay, bye. So this is what I'm trying to accomplish today. Just because I mostly packed the rest of this room. I showed y'all yesterday. But yeah, like I just want to get this room done with. I don't know. It's like bullshit because like most of my makeup, I've been staying at my mom's, y'all, and that's another story for another time. But I took a lot of my makeup over there. So there's not even a lot in here. But we're gonna pack it up. These little bins at the bottom. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I think I'm just gonna put tape on them and move them like that, cause they'll be easier. But once I do get my new apartment, I'm getting like these little standing shelves to put like all my extra like beauty stuff on. But just to move, I think I'm gonna keep them in those since it's easier. But we're gonna get to this right now, okay? So I think I already mentioned it, but in case y'all haven't been watching my vlogs, which if you haven't, that's fake as fuck, but okay. But I did mention I'm gonna be recording all my videos on my phone because it's easier because I have to upload every day, so it's just easier to do it on my phone because I edit on my phone. So that's why the quality is not as good, is because I'm recording on an iPhone and not an actual camera this month. I know I was talking to y'all about moving, obviously, because I told y'all like, well, I told y'all I was moving, and in my last video, I asked y'all like to manifest it for me because I found an apartment like I really, really liked. I should have brought a trash bag in here. But yeah, I did find an apartment that I like really liked. It was before Vlogmas, but I was gonna vlog it just to vlog it, you know, just like a regular vlog. Because before Vlogmas, I was trying to do like these weekly Wednesday vlogs, which I didn't keep up with. But after Vlogmas, I am gonna try to keep up with it. Side note. But yeah, I was gonna vlog it just to vlog it, but I ended up not doing it because I'm like, I didn't expect to like the apartment. I really didn't. So I decided against vlogging it, which I'm so mad. But now I'm looking back at it, I might never get the apartment, so it's like, it don't matter. But basically what's going on with that situation is, so I was gonna tour this apartment, loved it. It had a huge bedroom, huge living room. Like the master bedroom was huge. Second bedroom wasn't that big, but it's only me anyway. I just like them 2 bedrooms because I have so much shit. Like, this is a 2-bedroom apartment. I just have a lot of stuff. So it's, you know, I get 2 bedrooms. Well, that's what I want, you know. This apartment even had a dining room in it. Had a balcony. And a huge bathtub. Like, it was giving me like jacuzzi vibes. Like if I had a man, like, you know, okay, like when I see this apartment, I'm like, okay, I'm getting this apartment. Like, this is me. I need it. I need the apartment. First of all, apartments, expensive as fuck. I'm not even gonna lie. Way over what I wanted to spend on an apartment. But honestly, it's like I couldn't do much about it because I think like rent's going up everywhere, and pretty much anywhere I looked, I'm not gonna get much less than that. So I'm like, I might as well get something I really like, and you know, just pay out the ass for. So I told the lady, like, you know, I really want it. I'm really interested in it, because it's like through like a company, because it's like a secure building, but they own, I don't know, it's like through a company. So I have to apply through the company to get for the apartment. So she's told me like my income needs to be so much more than the rent, and I'm pretty sure it's like that everywhere, which no problem. But y'all know my income is OnlyFans, so we ran into a problem there. Well, not even really a problem. So she was like, okay, you can use your tax form from last year. Because I just told her I was self-employed, which technically being on OnlyFans is self-employment. No, so I told her I was self-employed, and she's like, okay, you can use your tax form from last year. Well, I'm like, I make more money this year than I did last year. I feel like we went off my income from last year, it wouldn't cut it. Because last year I didn't even do OnlyFans the whole year last year, so it would never been enough money because they wanted 3 times the rent. Rent's already expensive as fuck, so I need to show them that I'm making bands, okay? And last year I wasn't making that much on OnlyFans. Like, I didn't start making as much money as I am now until this year on OnlyFans. So y'all have to go back and get all my bank statements and show like every fucking payout from OnlyFans on it. And then I had to go on OnlyFans and like line up the payments that were made to my bank to the dates that I took the payment out on OnlyFans. It was a lot. It was a lot, okay? Because OnlyFans, you don't get like a statement every, I mean, you get a statement, but it's not an official statement. Like, it doesn't say your name on it and like, you know, your address, because they have to confirm that it's like your income. Like, anybody can screenshot a fake statement that says there's, but OnlyFans, like, the only confirmation that you get that you made that money is at the end of the year when they send you your tax forms. So I had to do a lot to get all this information they needed. So literally I did that shit in a day. Because I really wanted the apartment, y'all. Like, I was really trying to like get this apartment because I fell in love with it. So after I got all the information to her, she was like, okay, we're gonna put your application in. Great. My credit's bomb. So I know I'm gonna get approved because my credit's good. So she went to go put in my application, and there's a fucking hold on the apartment. After I already paid the application fee and I paid to put a hold on it. But somebody else already got a hold on it, but I had to pay a hold and application fee. But bitch, I might never be getting an apartment because someone else did it before me. So why did I go through all this trouble if there's already a hold on an apartment and I paid like that fee? Give her my card information. You know, I'm like, okay, I want to move. But somebody already has an apartment on hold. So, yeah. She's like, okay, I'll just keep your card information on file. We'll see if this person's even approved for the apartment. And we'll go from there. Well, that was 2 days ago. Haven't heard back. And I have not heard from her since. So I don't know if that's good news or bad news. Not saying, you know, I don't know. The apartment was perfect for me. Like I said, I described y'all what it looked like the best I can. It was a really nice apartment to me. It was like everything I was looking for in an apartment. And I just feel like I'm not going to find all those qualities for that price and in the area I want, or like around the area I would want. So it's like if I don't get that, I'm pretty much going to be downgrading, which sucks. But of course, you know, the other person, I don't wish anything negative on anybody, so I hope they get approved. I don't know if I mean that, but you know, I don't want to, but if they don't get approved, hopefully something better is in store for them. And I wish I could say the same about me, but like I said, I really don't think it's in my cards. I definitely feel like I'm going to be downgrading if I don't get this apartment, and that's just real. Because y'all, I've been looking for an apartment forever. Like, I've been looking for months now. And this is probably the nicest one I came across in months. Besides one other one. But even this one, I feel like it's better than the one I was like dying to move into before. It's the balcony for me. Like, oh my god. Y'all, the thing that could... Okay, never mind. Anyways, I don't know, but that's it. That's what I want to tell y'all, because I keep talking about moving and stuff, and I was like, and y'all probably thinking like, well, bitch, when? Like, where are you moving to? You never really elaborated on it. Well, this is me elaborating. So basically what I'm going to do is tomorrow, being that it's Friday, I'm going to give her a call, and I'm going to say, like, do you think, you know, have you heard anything, or should I just start looking for other options? Because my lease is up in a month. Like, I can't really wait, and I'm moving regardless. I don't know if I mentioned it or not in one of my vlogs. I think I did. But if worse comes to worse, what I'm gonna do is put my stuff in storage and stay with my mom until I find an apartment I like. So that's like my plan B, but I really don't want to have to do that. But I might have to, because I don't want to just move somewhere just to move, you know. Luckily, I'm able to do that. Shout out to my mother. Yeah. So that's that. I finished packing this box. Hold on. I'm just gonna leave it like that, I guess. There's a lot more room in my box. I don't know. This stuff is just garbage up here. I need to clean the mirror and stuff, so I'm probably gonna do that like another time. I needed these makeup wipes, so I'm gonna take those with me. And yeah. Okay. Well, I'm actually gonna close out the vlog here, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed. Oh, this is a new cute picture. Let me see. I need a thumbnail anyways. I wish I could pick this box up. I'm not doing that. Okay, sorry. I need a thumbnail. Oh, wait. Okay. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna close out the vlog here. Hopefully tomorrow I want to have an update for y'all. So hopefully I have an update for y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna text the lady tomorrow, like I said. And I'm gonna give y'all the news, good or bad. Pray for me. Again, pray for me. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Happy Vlogmas!
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?